Did you know that a single bug splatter can permanently etch your car's clear coat in less than 48 hours? Crazy, right? What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're on a mission to find the absolute best bug and tar remover to keep your ride looking flawless. We're counting down the top picks on the market, so stick around to see which one takes the crown. All the links are in the description below, so you can easily check them out. Let's get started. On number 6, Meguiar's Heavy Duty Bug and Tar Remover. Kicking off our list at number 6 is the Meguiar's Heavy Duty Bug and Tar Remover. This one's all about the foam. Its standout feature is the extreme cling foaming action, which is fantastic because it grabs onto vertical surfaces like your bumper and grill instead of just dripping off. You just spray it on, let that foam work its magic for about 5 minutes, and then wipe or rinse it away. It does an amazing job dissolving dried-on bugs with almost zero scrubbing, which is a huge plus for protecting your paint. The trade-off? While it's a champion against bugs, it can struggle a bit with heavy, baked-on tar, sometimes needing a second try. It's the perfect, easy-to-use aerosol for daily drivers who are constantly battling bug season. Number 5. 3D Bug Remover. Coming in at number 5, we have the 3D Bug Remover. And this one is for those who want serious value. Unlike the ready-to-use Meguiar's can, this is a professional-grade concentrate that you dilute yourself, meaning this 1-gallon jug will last you forever. Its secret weapon is a powerful enzyme-based formula that literally melts protein stains like bugs and tree sap without harming your precious wax, sealant, or ceramic coating. Just spray it on, wait about a minute, and rinse. While it's not designed for tar, its performance on bugs is absolutely top tier. And the value for money is just unbeatable. If you're a serious detailer or just live in a bug-infested area, this is the economical powerhouse you need. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Bug and Tar Wash. At number 4 is the ultimate multitasker, the Chemical Guy's Bug and Tar Wash. What makes this one so cool is its incredible versatility. You can use it as a powerful spot treatment for tough grime, or you can add a little to your wash bucket to give your regular car soap a massive cleaning boost. It's designed to break down everything, from bugs and sap to that sticky road tar, making it a true all-in-one solution. Compared to the 3D remover, which focuses only on organic stuff, this one tackles a wider range of gunk. It integrates perfectly into your normal wash routine, saving you time and effort. This is the perfect product for anyone who wants one bottle that can handle almost any sticky situation. On number 2, McKee's 37 Road Kill Remover. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. At number 2, it's McKee's 37 Roadkill Remover. This is an enthusiast-grade powerhouse that means business. Its concentrated formula is so strong it can be diluted 1-to-1 with water for lighter jobs, which doubles the product and gives you incredible value. In real-world tests, this stuff is just on another level, effortlessly dissolving even the most caked-on bugs. We're talking Florida love bugs here, with almost no scrubbing. While the Armor All spray is great for convenience, McKee's 37 delivers far superior cleaning power and is much more economical in the long run. If you're serious about car care and want professional, reliable results every single time, this is a top-tier contender. On number 1, Turtle Wax Bug and Tar Remover. And at our number 1 spot today, we have a classic, the Turtle Wax Bug and Tar Remover. This is hands down one of the most budget-friendly and widely available options you can find. It's a simple, no-fills trigger spray that's perfect for quick, on-the-spot cleanups of fresh bugs and light tar. The ease of use is a huge plus. Just spray, wait a minute, and wipe. However, you get what you pay for. It really struggles with older, baked-on grime, and there are reports of it leaving a haze or streaks if you're not careful. Compared to the sheer power of McKee's 37, it's definitely a light-duty cleaner. But it's perfect for the budget-conscious driver who just needs to handle a small spot right after a drive. And the winner is? All right, after looking at all these fantastic products, it's time to pick an overall winner. They all have their strengths, from the budget-friendly Turtle Wax to the versatile Chemical Guys Wash. But for its incredible balance of raw power, versatility, and value, the winner today has to be McKee's 37 Roadkill Remover. This product is simply in a class of its own. It has the professional strength formula to obliterate the toughest, baked-on bugs that others leave behind. The fact that you can dilute it makes it incredibly economical, giving you way more bang for your buck than any ready-to-use spray. It bridges the gap perfectly between professional results and user-friendly application. For the enthusiast who wants the best, McKee's 37 is the clear champion. So, which one are you leaning towards? Do you have a secret weapon for bug and tar that I missed? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video helped you out, do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe for more car detailing tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, all the links are in the description. See you in the next one!